If you're a business owner or freelancer looking into Qonto, a common question you might have is, what languages does their customer support speak? It's a key factor when you're managing your finances and need to communicate clearly. Qonto is a European business finance solution, and as such, their customer support is set up to assist clients across various countries. Their customer service teams primarily operate in the languages of the markets they serve. That means you can get support in French, German, Spanish, and Italian. But what if you're not in one of those countries? The great news is that their teams also offer support in English. This is especially helpful if you're an international business operating in Europe or simply prefer to communicate in English. The goal is to make sure you have a seamless experience, no matter where your business is located. They have multiple channels for you to reach them, including chat, email, and phone, and across these channels, you'll find assistance in the languages we've mentioned. So whether you're a German-speaking startup, an Italian freelancer, or a multinational company using English as your primary language, Qonto's customer support is designed to meet your needs.